Welcome to the fascinating world of woodworking, where creativity meets sustainability. If you've ever found yourself surrounded by leftover wood scraps after completing a project, you're not alone. Many woodworkers face the challenge of what to do with these remnants. Instead of tossing them aside, you can transform them into unique, functional, and beautiful items. This journey not only allows you to explore your artistic side, but also promotes a culture of resourcefulness and environmental consciousness. Crafting with leftover wood is an opportunity to breathe new life into materials that would otherwise go to waste, turning them into something meaningful and practical. Engaging in woodworking with leftover materials can be a refreshing and fulfilling experience. It provides a chance to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, allowing you to immerse yourself in a creative process that is both therapeutic and rewarding. Whether you're crafting for personal use, as gifts for loved ones, or even to sell, each project tells a story of innovation and sustainability. As you dive into this craft, you'll discover the satisfaction of transforming simple wooden scraps into functional pieces that enhance your home, restaurant, or local business. Embrace the challenge and joy of woodworking, and let your imagination guide you to create something truly special from what would otherwise be discarded. If you're enjoying the content and want to stay updated on all things woodworking, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By hitting that subscribe button, you'll join a community of fellow wood enthusiasts who share your passion for creativity and craftsmanship. Make sure to like this video to let us know you appreciate the tips and projects we're sharing, and feel free to share with friends or family who might be inspired to embark on their own woodworking journey. We encourage you to stay until the end of the video, as we have some exciting bonus content and additional tips that you won't want to miss. Your support means the world to us, and together we can foster a vibrant community dedicated to the art of woodworking. Woodworking with leftover wood. In the world of woodworking, leftover wood presents an incredible opportunity for creativity and sustainability. Many hobbyists and craftsmen often find themselves with scraps after completing larger projects. Instead of discarding these pieces, they can be transformed into functional and decorative items that enhance our homes, restaurants, hotels, and even local grocery stores. This approach not only promotes sustainability, but also encourages a mindset of resourcefulness. Understanding wood types, woodworking as a skill, offers a unique blend of artistry and utility. When we think about crafting with leftover wood, we should consider the various types of wood available, from scrap wood to raw timber. Each type has its own characteristics, making it suitable for different projects. By understanding these materials, crafters can make informed decisions about what to create, ensuring that their projects are both beautiful and functional. Weekend crafting sessions. Weekend crafting sessions provide a perfect opportunity to dive into woodworking. These short bursts of creativity allow individuals to disconnect from their busy lives while engaging in a rewarding activity, whether working alone or with friends and family. Crafting with wood can be a fulfilling experience. The joy of creating something from scratch, especially from materials that might otherwise go to waste, adds to the satisfaction of the finished product. Holiday crafts and personal touch. Holiday crafts are particularly popular during certain seasons, and utilizing leftover wood can add a personal touch to decorations. Handmade crafts made from scrap were not only unique, but also convey a sense of care and effort. They can be used as gifts or as decorations that tell a story of creativity and sustainability, making them perfect for festive occasions. The trend of sustainability. As more people become conscious of their environmental impact, the demand for sustainable products continues to grow. Creating useful items from leftover wood aligns perfectly with this trend. By embracing sustainable practices, woodworkers can provide consumers with eco-friendly alternatives that do not compromise on quality or aesthetics. This focus on sustainability can enhance the market appeal of handmade wooden items, making them more attractive to potential buyers. Profitability of woodcrafting. The profitability of crafting with scrap, which should not be overlooked. Many individuals have turned their woodworking hobbies into small businesses, selling their creations at local markets or online. The low cost of materials, combined with the increasing demand for unique, handcrafted items, presents a lucrative opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs. By focusing on quality and craftsmanship, makers can carve out a niche in the marketplace, targeting specific markets. Additionally, targeting specific markets such as home decor, restaurants, hotels, and many grocery stores can further enhance profitability. Each of these sectors values unique, quality products that stand out from mass-produced items. For instance, restaurants may seek custom wooden serving boards or decorative pieces that elevate their dining experience, while hotels might opt for bespoke items that add charm to their interiors. Versatility of woodcraft. Moreover, the versatility of woodcraft allows for a wide range of products that can cater to various needs. From functional kitchenware to decorative wall art, the possibilities are nearly endless. This adaptability means that craftsmen can experiment with different designs and techniques, ensuring that their offerings remain fresh and appealing to a diverse customer base. Skill development in woodworking. As we explore the realm of crafting with leftover wood, it's essential to consider the skills required for woodworking. While some projects may be straightforward, others might necessitate a higher level of craftsmanship. This skill development can be a rewarding aspect of woodworking, encouraging individuals to push their boundaries and learn new techniques. Online tutorials and workshops can provide valuable resources for those looking to improve their skills. Community and collaboration. In addition to skill improvement, collaborating with other woodworkers can foster a sense of community. Sharing ideas, techniques, and experiences can lead to innovation and inspiration. Local woodworking groups or online forums offer platforms for crafters to connect, share their projects, and support one another in their creative endeavors. Economic impact of local artisans. The benefits of creating useful items from leftover wood extend beyond the individual crafter. Communities can thrive when local artisans share their skills and products. Supporting local businesses, especially those focused on sustainability, can create a positive economic impact. As consumers become more aware of where their products come from, the desire to support local craftsmen continues to grow. The bigger picture of sustainability. Ultimately, crafting with leftover wood is not just about creating beautiful items. It's about fostering a mindset of sustainability and creativity. By finding new uses for scrap wood, we can contribute to a more sustainable future while enjoying the therapeutic benefits of woodworking. As we embrace these practices, we can inspire others to do the same, creating a ripple effect that encourages environmental responsibility and creativity in our communities. The journey of woodcrafting. In conclusion, the journey of creating useful items from leftover wood is both fulfilling and impactful. By engaging in this craft, individuals can enjoy the process of making, support sustainability, and even explore profitable avenues. Whether as a hobby or a business, woodworking with leftover materials offers a meaningful way to connect with our environment and each other. Thank you so much for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in our woodworking journey. If you found the content helpful or inspiring, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips, projects, and creative ideas. Your likes help us know what you enjoy, so don't hesitate to hit that thumbs up button, and sharing this video with friends or fellow woodworking enthusiasts can help grow our community. We're excited to continue this adventure with you, so stay tuned for more exciting content in the future. Your support means everything to us, and we can't wait to see what you create.